The most exciting for me in SKF is to work with the mobility area, which I like very much, where we can explore new technologies, new ideas, new components, and also provide new solution, innovative solution to SKF. My name is Sandy Shagram and I'm heading Mobility Center of Excellence in SKF IT. I started at SKF in 2011, but before that I have already collaborated with SKF through my previous job because the company I worked for was owned partly by SKF. I started at SKF to be part of the new investment area, which was the mobility and app development. And for me it was very exciting to be part and build up a new technology through mobility. Innovation for me is to improve an existing process or translate an idea to a solution that brings value or make a difference in SKF. I'm involved in driving many mobility and digitalization projects within manufacturing, business development, and marketing. Together with my creative team, we deliver solution and product to our customer and employees to make them more efficient. The biggest challenge I have in my work is to keep the position of SKF as one of the best and forefront companies within enterprise mobility. To be quick and fast when we develop new technologies, new ideas, when we create solutions. Besides that, I like to travel and explore new culture, new countries, new food and spices. Besides that, I like to run. I like to walk by the ocean close to where I live because I get my energy and recharge my batteries when I'm there. A part of my job, I present SKF in many events and conferences, and I feel very proud to present how far we have come with the mobility area and which amazing product we have developed within, for instance, the manufacturing area or marketing or business development. I really like working in SKF IT together with many knowledgeable and dedicated people to have that strong team to drive the digital transformation. In my role, I can influence the direction we are taking. It's very important for me to make a difference so that we stay ahead of competition. It's very important when we work together with suppliers that they deliver the best technologies. For instance, we have developed a product within our manufacturing for our operators to make them more efficient in the production channels. And that was one of the drivers to choose the best supplier to build up a very solid infrastructure and develop a very good solution. I really enjoy working with suppliers when we sit together and create or explore new idea, new solution, or talking about new concept, new technologies. That's what I really like. Seeing the smiling faces of the people that benefit from the solution we are providing, then I know I made a difference.